If you're a sales rep, leader, or sales team member in technology, what impact would winning just one additional big deal per quarter have on your sales results, income, and forecast accuracy? If winning more big deals in your major accounts or prospects is important to you, stay with me for the next few minutes. Hi, I'm Jeff Goldstein, founder and chief grinder at salesgrindersonly.com. Now let me ask you this. Are you spending too much time on poorly qualified deals that get deferred quarter after quarter, never close when expected, or disappear out of the forecast altogether? Are you looking for some help improving your big deal win rate, winning that one extra deal per quarter? Could you use an execution plan or roadmap to help ensure you never miss an important step or stakeholder in your complex deals? If you answered yes to any of these questions, join me for the next few minutes and I'll tell you how I can help. Now, in this video, I'll give you a quick overview of the upcoming Major Account Big Deal Review live sales program and how it will help transform your enterprise sales skills so you close more big deals and never waste time on deals you can't win. Now, just before I describe the course and how it will help you become more successful, let me take a moment and tell you what the course is not. This course is not about funnel building, marketing, or account planning. Lord knows the world has enough account planning methodologies. These are all important topics, but not what we're going to cover here. The good news is this course will work in combination with whatever account planning or funnel building tools you might already be using. This course is all about identifying a single large sales opportunity, a big deal, in one of your major existing or target accounts, and then running a sales campaign to win it. Narrow focus, but very deep. Now, you might be thinking, thanks, Jeff, but I've been selling for a long time. I've done a ton of sales campaigns, and I know this stuff by heart. Why do you need a roadmap or checklist to help you run sales campaigns? I get that objection all the time, especially from experienced reps who've been doing this for a while. The younger rookies are often thinking the same thing, but just aren't as verbal about it. So here's the example I use at the start of every Big Rock review I do for the first time with a new sales team. Now, imagine you're on an airplane heading from New York to Boston. The silverhead pilot heads into the cockpit. He's been flying for 25 years and has done this route 1,000 times. He looks over at his co-pilot and says, "I'm feeling good. The weather looks great. Let's wing it." That's never going to happen, ever. Instead, the pilot and his co-pilot go through a manual checklist to make sure they don't miss an important step in their pre-flight routine. Now remember, the pilot is only flying this one plane. His boss is not calling him about his forecast. He's not getting texts from his kids. The pilot is completely focused on this single task, flying the plane from New York to Boston. Yet he or she still checklists everything before takeoff. So how is it that the pilot who's completely focused uses a checklist, yet sales teams who are running multiple complex sales campaigns at the same time with tons of other distractions do it without a written checklist to ensure they never miss an important step or stakeholder that could crash their deal? Now, just having a repeatable written process will differentiate you from 95% of your competitors because most sales teams simply don't plan the execution of their major account sales campaigns. And when you consider all the steps in a large complex deal like getting your deal approved internally, mapping out the relationships you'll need to build inside the prospect, following the money and qualifying your deal, determining your product solution fit and develop a winning strategy, and on and on and on. You can see there are a lot of moving parts in major account or large sales campaigns. Trying to do this without a plan or checklist is just tricky and full of risk. The Big Rock Review sales course has a very narrow but deep focus. It's all about helping you win more of your big deals inside your most important accounts or prospects and helping you ruthlessly qualify so you only spend time on deals you can win. That's it. Narrow, but laser focused. But since big deals move the forecast and winning more of them is critical to your success, whether you're a rep, a sales leader, or a member of the sales team, this course will help ensure you and your team are asking all the right questions of all the right stakeholders so you never miss an important step in your sales campaign. And so I've developed this sales course to help sales teams transform the way they run their big deals inside their biggest customers or prospects. I'll take you through the 9 steps of a major account sales campaign and help you follow a structured, questions-based approach so you can cover all your bases and never miss an important step or stakeholder. I'll also cover the 3 critical steps you need to take to give yourself that extra edge you need to win. There's no rocket science here, but a process or roadmap to follow so you never miss anything that could crash your deal later on. Since I've now done over 200 reviews with this exact process, I know the program works and will have a dramatic impact on your big deal win rate. I'm going to teach the program by running 3 small live sessions with 10 students max per class in March using a Zoom video conference call. The sessions will be small, interactive, and very intimate. I'll then record the entire program, raise the price from the current $197 US to either $297 or $497, and relaunch the program as a web-based video course. This course is intended for technology sales reps, sales leaders, and anyone else, SEs, channel alliance partner managers, who are involved in your sales campaign. By getting everyone on the same page and rowing in the same direction, you'll save time and energy chasing down your big deals. And finally, you'll get a whole set of downloadable tools I've developed to walk you through the review, get input from your team, and hold yourself and your teammates accountable for next steps and action items. In addition, I've set up a Q&A section on my website where I'll answer all your ongoing implementation questions so you're not alone trying to transform your big deal sales execution. So join me on either March 5th, 12th, or 19th. Each class is exactly the same, so pick one date that works best for you and enroll now while there's still space. For more details and complete course curriculum, visit salesgrindersonly.com or email me at jeff@salesgrindersonly.com, or just continue down the sales page below. I look forward to helping you grind your way to the top of the sales leaderboard. Great selling, and see you soon.